So this is the oven needs to be worked together with this polyester material printer. So for the material of the polyester, once it is finished printing, remember how many steps of this polyester sock printing? Yes, it's just 2 steps. First step is print, and second step is heating up by using this oven. So this oven is set up with the conveyor system. It goes automatically. So once you hang the sock there in the hook, and then it goes into the oven, and you see that one is going slowly to the oven, and after it is turned 1 turn and comes out, it needs around 3 to 4 minutes, and the temperature is 180 degrees. So after just 3 to 4 minutes, the polyester one will be cured and the color will be fixed. And even without washing, the color fastness will be reached like grade 3.5. And after 1 time washing, it might have some color a little bit fading out, but don't worry, it's just 1 time. And after 2nd time washing, it will be fine. And what you need is this exhaustive fan. So what you need to do, and working together with this oven, is setting up a very important one, is setting up this industrial exhausted fan. Why do you need that fan? It's because that during smoking, during this heating, there are smoke, and the smoke will come out at this part. So you need to set up this exhausted fan to get rid of the smoke, because the polyester material, it comes out with the smoke after high temperature. So you need to get this exhausted fan to get rid of this smoke, to keep this room actually a little bit clean. Okay, these are the relevant equipment for the polyester material. So for the polyester socks, what you need is the printer and this heating oven. Okay, and you also can see that here, a big one, it is the steamer. So just now, what we already introduced is for the cotton material. It needs to be soaked first before printing for the pre-shipment, right? So this one is for the finishing process. So after printing, actually, once you get the sock printed, you need to send it to here. This one, it's very big one. It's the heating oven. This is another heating oven because it's compared with that the polyester heating oven. What's the difference is that okay, so let's see. This is also the heating oven, but compared with that polyester one, that is totally different, right? So polyester one, you need the conveyor system to hang the sock one by one. Well, these one are for cotton. So after this cotton sock finished printing, you can set this whole shelf of the sock to the oven. So the whole shell of the sock will be sent to the oven and for heating. So for drying, that is the first step after printing. And why we need to do that? Because it has the amount. You can see it's several. It's just like 40 or 50 pairs per shelf. Then just one time heating the 40 or 50 pairs of the sock will be dried here in this heating oven. So this heating oven is especially for the cotton or nylon or wool fabric. Okay, and after heating, it is dry. Then the whole shelf of this cotton sock needs to be sent here to the steamer. So this is the steamer. You put the whole shelf of the sock, which is dried already, and then sent to here to the steamer for steaming. And after several times steaming, you get it back, it is steamed. Then you send back to that heating oven again for drying. So that is the 3 steps after printing for the cotton sock. And after heating, you will get this kind of sock. These are all the cotton one. So already steamed and heated. So it's dried already. And now it's only waiting for the final step. And what will be the final step? It is the washing finishing. So actually it's just one step of the washing. Okay, for example, excuse me. So it is just a finishing process, and it needs to be like several turns of washing. Even for one process of the washing, it still needs several steps of several turns of washing with the cold water and hot water, and then the color will be fixed during the washing finishing. Okay, that is the introduction of the relevant equipment. So that is what we talk about for different material, different process. And what the process will be involved for what kind of the equipment. That is what we saw just now. For the steamer and heating oven, for this cotton one, and the heating oven is compared with the polyester oven. It's different, right?